So Boulder, Colorado is actually integral in my journey of becoming a tantrika. And all that means is that I'm a student of sacred sexuality and how that influences my whole life. So I got started in 2012. I picked up this very austere Tantra tome and I couldn't understand head or tails. So I called the author and I said, "What are you trying to talk about here? Like, I really want this information because I've hit a ceiling in my bedroom and we have a good relationship, but it's kind of stale. And I just wanted more. I just knew that there was more to be had, more sizzle, more intimacy, more closeness, just something that was more, it makes my mouth water thinking about it. I just wanted something that was juicier and more nourishing. And I couldn't understand what he was writing. So he was very gracious with me. It's John Maxwell Taylor out of England. And he said, "Well, I'll just show you what I mean." And we did a meditation together over the phone. And that was exactly what I was looking for. It was connection, like that human spirit connection was deep and palpable. I could almost touch it. My husband at the time and we went down there and we did some tantra lessons, and I was home. I I never turned back. Now that marriage didn't last because my husband, it was too much intimacy for him. It was too close. So the light was shining just way too bright. It was kind of blinding him, but there was no going back for me. And I got myself certified as a Tantra educator through the Ohono School of Tantra. And I've been teaching ever since. And I've helped well over 1,000 individuals and couples use sacred sexuality, not only for intimacy, but also for the healing of their human spirit and for their self-development goals. Because sex energy is at the basis of everything we do. It's not just about intercourse. It's not just about relationships. It's about having that light of who you are turned on so that it shines in everything that you do. So that's how I got.